Wigfar Bone Construction Headphones. Born for sports, excellent sound quality, comfortable and lightweight, long life battery, and Bluetooth 5.0. Now let's get them out the box and see what we got. We have the Bone Construction Conduction Headphones accessory box. Manual. And warranty card for lifetime if you register the product now. Let's take a look at the accessories. We have a very short USB-A to USB-C cable. It seems nowadays devices is coming with extremely short cables. Luckily, I have two longer USB cables that I use to charge my USB-C devices. That's why I'm glad to see more devices coming with USB-C. So I can charge everything except my iPhone, Apple. Also, we have two earplugs, just in case you want to enjoy your music just that much more. Now, taking a closer look at the earphones. Here we have a multi-function button, microphone, indicator light, and USB-C charge port. These have a soft touch plastic, very lightweight. It's IPX55. Sweat and light rain should not bother these, but don't take them to the pool. So, what are bone conduction earphones? Yeah, I'll put them on. I can say they're very lightweight, comfortable. I can hardly tell that they are here on my head, but they're not playing music yet. How you see how they rest in front of my ears onto my cheekbones. They transfer sound through my cheekbones to my inner ear, leaving my ears free to hear what's going on around me. That's what these earphones are for, like joggers, cyclists, or someone that's on a phone call that need to hear everything that's going on around them. Like if you're jogging or cycling in traffic, so you hear any close by vehicles. Because I'm in California, you'll definitely need these because we'll run your ass over. So, what I don't like about these earphones is the vibration. Because they vibrate when they make sound. That's how they transmit the sound to your inner ear. That's just something I have to get used to. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can check them out. Also, before I go, let me talk about the battery a little bit. I almost forgot. The battery lasts up to 8 hours and take approximately 2 hours to charge. Bluetooth 5.0. Your device could be up to 30 feet away without any issue playing back music or phone call. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.